Hi, Curious Chicks here.
Are you tired of eating your eggs in the morning the same way all the time? Scrambled eggs, sunny side up, over easy. We're here to tell you that there are many, many ways that you can eat them in very fun and unique ways.
Cheesy baked egg toast. Take a slice of bread and with a spoon make an indentation in the center, flattening out the center. Then crack an egg in the inside, sprinkle some cheese around the edges, and put it in the oven and bake it. Once you get it out, you'll have a nice crispy cheesy toast with an egg.
If you're tired of the same old carbohydrate-loaded waffles, try the egg waffle. Simply take some raw eggs, scramble them up, add your favorite vegetables in there, and then add it to your waffle maker. And voila, you have an excellent idea.
For an easy low-carb breakfast, try baked eggs and ham cups. What you would do is take a cupcake tin, line it with slices of ham, crack an egg into it, top it off with a couple of chopped scallions, and put it in the oven. Once it's ready, you have a nice, easy breakfast that you can take with you on the go.
For a healthy take on eggs, try quinoa omelet bites. Simply take some cooked quinoa, garlic, cheese, egg whites, spinach, and a little pinch of salt. Mix them all together and put them into mini muffin tins and bake it. And you've got a really healthy breakfast.
For a colorful breakfast and also a way to include vegetables into your diet, try veggie egg cups. What you would do is cut cross sections of assorted bell peppers and onion, crack an egg into it, top it off with green onion, parsley, salt and pepper, put it in the oven, and you will have not only a cute breakfast, but a very tasty one.
Avocado, bacon, and eggs. Simply take a ripe avocado, cut it in half, hit it, add a raw egg into the center, and top it off with some bacon, shredded cheese, and a pinch of salt. And then bake it, and you've got the perfect California breakfast.
If you liked our video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.